all right. So, flow of energy. This right here is a trophic pyramid. As you travel up a trophic pyramid, energy is lost. So as we get higher, there's less energy. Most energy is used to grow and reproduce. So plants grow, reproduce, do whatever. Very little of it is stored and able to be passed along the food chain. So by the time the rabbit or the herbivore comes and eats the plant, very little energy is passed on. Key thing here, producers have the most energy. They get their energy directly from the sun. Sun affects everything. If we didn't have the sun, it would die. So the sun directly affects producers because they make their own food from it. Everything else then comes along and eats everything, and we lose energy as we go up. So the least amount of energy is up here at our top predator, which is like our sharks, our lions, our bears, and people. Okay, in a marine ecosystem, a fish eats plankton and is then eaten by a dolphin. So key thing here on the EOC is you're going to want to draw a picture. Since I'm bad at drawing, I'm going to just write out the words. So a fish eats the plankton. If the fish is doing the eating, the arrow is going to point at the fish. Then the fish is eaten by a dolphin. So the fish is going to then be eaten by the dolphin. So which statement best describes the energy flow through this process? So A, most of the energy from the plankton is passed on to the dolphin. We know that is not true. Plankton is like our producer. All of the energy is not going to get passed on to this guy. B, about half of the energy is lost through feces and other half is passed on to the dolphin. No, we know that very little energy is passed on. C, most of the energy from the plankton is converted to heat and only a small amount is passed on to the dolphins. Absolutely. Only a small amount is passed on to the dolphins. Our answer is C. Okay, use the food chain to answer the question. We have grass, insect, frog, owl, hawk. The most energy is going to be over here at the grass. The least amount of energy is going to be over here. So in which part of the food chain is the greatest amount of energy transferred? Well, if grass has the most amount of energy, the greatest amount of energy transferred is going to be from the grass to the insect, the very first step. All right, this is just a summary of the things that you should have gotten from this presentation. If you have more questions about food chains or want to test yourself on your excellence and add your EOC tracker, see Ms. McGrath and get the exit ticket for this video. All right, that is all. 4 down, 5 to go.